Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to make accents on the Chromebook. So once you've learned how to do this is going to be something that you're going to need to do in every class when there's an accent that needs to be placed on a letter. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click down here where the clock is. And then you're going to go to settings. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click on advanced. And right here, after you clicked on advanced, you'll see languages and inputs. So you want to click on inputs. And then you're going to see a button that says add input methods. As you can see, you already have the English input method enabled that comes with your Chromebook, but we're going to click add input methods. And then you're going to click right here where it says English US with international keyboard. So you'll check that box. Do not check any other boxes or uncheck anything, and then click add. There's a few different ways you can change your language from US to the new international keyboard. So one way is to go to click on your settings bar again, and you can change it right here. So now you can see it says INTL, that stands for international, and then I can go back and change it again. The other way that you can do it is by holding down the control button and pressing the space bar. So I'm going to do that now, and you can watch in the bottom corner how it changes. So do you see how it changes from US to INTL? And I can do it again and change it back. And the reason why you want to make sure that you know how to change it back and forth is because with the international keyboard, there are no quotation marks or apostrophes. And obviously, if you're writing in other classes, you're going to need to use those. So you don't want to have your international keyboard turned on in other classes. So I'm going to switch back to international. And then in order to make your accents, you're going to, whatever letter you want to accent with, you're going to hold down the right Alt button. So that's the smaller one. On your keyboard, you have two Alt buttons. You have a long one that's to the left of the space bar, and you have a small one that's to the right of the space bar. You must use the right Alt. Okay, the left Alt button will not work. So if I want an A with an accent, let me just make my font bigger. Then I'm just going to hold down the right Alt and click A. Okay, E, I, O, U, whatever I want to accent. If I want an N with a tilde, hold down the Alt, press N. If I want an upside down exclamation point, same thing. Alt button and the number 1. If I want an upside down question mark, Alt button, question mark. Okay. Now, as you're using the international keyboard, you're going to see and notice that there are other symbols. If I hold down the Alt and do S, this thing comes up. You know, there's a bunch of different types of letters on here, and that's because we did not install a Spanish keyboard, we installed an international keyboard. So some of these symbols are used in other languages. But obviously for this class, we would just need the vowels, the N, and the punctuation marks.